Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be sharing 10 ways to speed up your Windows 10 PC. If you're someone who's frustrated with your slow computer, then this video is for you. We'll go through some tips and tricks that can help you optimize your system and improve its performance. The first thing you can do to speed up your PC is to remove any unnecessary programs and files. Go through your computer and uninstall any programs you no longer use and delete any files that are taking up too much space. Another way to speed up your PC is to disable startup programs. These are programs that automatically launch when you start your computer and can slow down your system. To disable them, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager, then click on the Startup tab and disable any programs you don't need. Windows 10 has built-in tools that can help speed up your PC. One of them is Disk Cleanup, which can remove temporary files and other unnecessary items. Another tool is Disk Defragmenter, which can optimize your hard drive and improve performance. Outdated drivers can also slow down your PC. Check for any updates for your drivers and install them to improve system performance. Windows 10 has several visual effects that can make your PC look cool, but they can also slow it down. To adjust these effects, right-click on this PC and select Properties, then click on Advanced System Settings, select Settings under Performance, and choose Adjust for Best Performance. Search indexing is a feature that can slow down your PC when it indexes your files. To disable it, right-click on the Start button and select Computer Management. Then select Services and Applications. Now click on Services and then find Windows Search. Right-click on it and select Properties. Select Disabled under Startup type. Windows 10 has a lot of tips and notifications that can pop up and distract you. To disable them, go to Settings. Select System and click on Notifications and Actions. Here, you can turn off any notifications you don't need. If you've tried all of the software fixes and your PC is still slow, it may be time to upgrade your hardware. Consider adding more RAM or upgrading to an SSD. Windows 10 has different power settings that can affect your PC's performance. To adjust these settings, go to Settings, select System, and click on Power and Sleep. Here, you can select High Performance to optimize your PC for performance. Finally, you can use some PC optimization tool to help speed up your PC. There are many tools available, such as CCleaner, which can clean up your PC and improve its performance. So, those were 10 ways to speed up your Windows 10 PC. Remember to do regular maintenance on your computer, and it will help you keep it running smoothly. I hope this video was helpful, and please don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.